jingle bell rock, jingle bells singing, jingle bells swing, snowing and glowing. Hey loves! So I'm coming to you guys today to do day 3 of my Vlogmas, and this vlog is going to be about my top 10 best Christmas songs. So if you're interested in knowing what Shani G likes to listen to around the Christmas time, please stay tuned. Alright guys, let's get right into it. The number 10 song on my list is Silent Night by none other, or sung by none other than Mariah Carey. So the Mariah Carey version. Guys, I love Mariah Carey. She has a beautiful voice. She definitely sung this song perfectly. Like, her voice is so beautiful. So I definitely had to add this song to my list. And let's be honest, for as far as I can remember, I've never went to any type of department store without hearing a Mariah Carey version of a Christmas song. So Mariah Carey, you made it, girl, to this list. You're number 10, your version of Silent Night. Number 9. The number 9 song on my list is White Christmas by The Drifters. So let me explain why this song is on my list. I remember growing up as a young girl, my mother would always play Christmas songs on Christmas Day. She would play songs while we're opening up our gifts and while she's making us Christmas breakfast. This is one song that I can remember she played every year. And y'all, when I tell y'all I know this song word for word, I know the song word for word. So I definitely had to add this song to my list because it reminds me of being a child or being young. It reminds me of my younger years, and it brings happiness to me. Like, when I think of this, I think of how happy I was and excited I was to open up my gifts and the happiness on Christmas Day. So I definitely had to add that song to my list. Number 8. This Christmas, Chris Brown's version. Come on. Y'all know Chris Brown definitely killed his version. Like, he sung that song perfectly. And I had to add it to this list. Not saying that any other version of This Christmas is bad. I'm just going to say that right now, Chris Brown's version is my best one. So it's the best one to me. It's my favorite one. So I definitely had to throw Chris Brown in there with his version of This Christmas. Number 7. The number 7 song on my list is Silent Night by The Temptations. And again, this is another song my mom played on Christmas Day, and it's a song that I can remember hearing growing up as a child. And who doesn't love Silent Night? Silent night, holy night, all has come. Like, I love that song. I even love to sing that song, y'all. Sometimes I try to get my Beyonce on and I try to sing. Like, just then I try to do my Beyonce. But I definitely love that song. And who doesn't love The Temptations? So I definitely had to add that song to my list.